name is Vaidehi and I am from Bombay Scottish School. Today we are going to Dharini and Dharanichivadi. And last week when my friends went to these two villages, they spoke about how Dharini was a smaller but more developed village and how the villagers were more well off in that particular village compared to Dharanichivadi, which was more of a tribal village as compared to Dharini. Last time, around 150 students had gone.
197 of us, and we've come to the village to help out, and we've planned a lot of activities.
The activities planned are, we start with resource mapping, which is compulsory for everyone. We just plan out what resources are around the layout of the village and how it fits around everything. Along with that, we then move on to community kitchen, so in which a group of volunteers, they opt to cook a meal for the entire village as well as the students.
We are going to create awareness among the students. We're making posters so that they realize about importance, like some of the topics are importance of women and child marriage, prevention of child marriage.
We also have teaching, which is just, as it sounds, mentor-mentee they call it. So the students act as teachers and help the village kids out, give them stationery, just basically imparting education and helping.
We have two plays which are going to be performing. The play in which I am taking part in is enlightening the villagers on women empowerment, and the other play is on drinking.
My name is Kshitij Patne. Today we are in Dharini. We are doing the resource mapping, roaming around. We are looking at all the villages, all the houses in the village, and trying to make maps to help the villagers.
No, but these are bricks also. So that we count as 10.
Myself, Kiran Gaikwad. I am working as a hospital administrator for Mangal Prabhu Nursing Home, Zuinagar, Navi Mumbai. It's a 50-bedded multi-speciality hospital offering critical care services. Now we have tie-up with Anand Vikas for this village camp. It is a free health camp for the poor people. We came here with our team, including Dr. Abhijit, Dr. Vikas, Vishal, Dr. Sohina, and Dr. Dehan. Actually, till time 150 patients are screened. Patients have a number of types of complaints like joint pains due to the reason. Even one patient came with the known case of CKD. He is on hemodialysis.
डॉक्टरने तपासलं तुम्हाला काय झालं होतं?
काय खाजूच्या गोळ्या दिल्यात, बीपी तपासली.
कंबर दुखते, मग पोट वगैरे दुखते, मग त्यांनी काय तुमचा चेकअप केलं?
वजन कमी.
डॉक्टरकडे गेले होते का?
गेले होतो.
मग तुमचं काय झालं होतं तुम्हाला?
आमच्या तरी खोकला दमा होता.
आपके पिताजी कितने पीते हैं, कुछ दिन में पीते हैं, रात में पीते हैं और नशे में डूबे घर आते हैं और मुझे पीते भी है। मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या करूं।
तो सुपरमैन सलमान खान।
बेटी नहीं, हे पुत्रदायिनी देवी, कृपा करो, मुझे पुत्र चाहिए, पुत्री नहीं, मदद करो। दिखते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं। मेरा नाम प्रेम है, प्रेम चोपड़ा।
It has really been a fun experience. In the beginning we had planted saplings, which I had never done before. We dug a 8-inch hole and we planted a sapling inside and we put bamboos around it so that the cows don't eat them. After that we had gone for the cooking community kitchen. Over there for the first time I saw how we make a kind of typical Indian dish, Sheera.
It was an amazing experience for all of us. We enjoyed.
Well, it's the best experience I've ever had. It's the most eye-opening thing I've ever done in my life. I've always read about these people living in the villages, but I've never known how it is.